Okay, so the wood that we bought from Lowe's has a lot of moss on it. So what you're seeing right now is an after. I'm going to go up the ladder because I'm going to have to spray the whole thing. But I want you to get an idea. See the before? All that, well, it's actually not moss, it's black mold. We looked it up. So what I did was I found out that if we use a 50-50 solution of bleach and spray it on the black sections, then that will kill the black mold. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. I'm not really sure if you can see on some of these, you can actually see it starting to grow because it's outside. So far I've used 2, 4, 6, 8 gallons of bleach, and I'm most of the way down. It looks like I'm gonna need about 12 more gallons to do my 50-50 mix in my 4-gallon sprayer. But I just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing while you're waiting to put the floor on. We put some of the floor on so that I could walk down the center. So I'm actually coming down one side, walking on this, and spraying on this side and this side, and doing the same thing over there because we have 6 different sections of wood that we need to make sure and get both sides of. But like I said, just letting you know what's going on. Until the next video, see ya.